I'm David Hepburn. I'm one of the intensive care consultants for Ynglŷn. Things are changing a lot soon. On the 17th of November, the Grange University Hospital at Llambrecwr opens, and the way that a lot of services are accessed is going to change. So keep your eyes out for the booklet coming through the post soon, which will explain how that's going to affect you. And we'll also be posting a series of videos to explain that as well. There's a lot of resources available on the Ynglŷn website. But in coming weeks it'll all become clear. But it's really important that certainly when we open on the 17th of November that you need to know exactly where you need to go to get emergency care and any other care that you might need to access quickly. So all that information will hopefully get out to you in the fullness of time, and you'll be well prepared for that stage. Thanks.